Hanyun Construction Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011, located at number 167 Xuchang Road, Shangjie District, Zhengzhou City. Hanyun has a registered capital of 20 million yuan, more than 180 employees, a total enterprise asset of more than 200 million yuan, standardized workshops of 25,000 square meters, and more than 100 sets of advanced high-end precision machining equipment imported from Europe, Japan, and South Korea, which have first-class precision machining, heat treatment, and product testing capabilities in domestic market. Since its establishment, Hanyun has always been deeply involved in the development of hydraulic breaker industry and strives to build the hydraulic hammer brand Hanyun. The company now has an annual production capacity of 5,000 sets of hydraulic hammers, 100,000 hydraulic breaker chisels, 30,000 sets of front and back heads, and 20,000 sets of breaker shells. In the production of hydraulic breakers, the six-sided forging materials and other raw materials are selected from domestic brand manufacturers, and each batch of materials has undergone strict quality inspection. Full CNC machining is performed according to the size of the drawings, and the dimensional accuracy of the product is strictly guaranteed. Grinding and cleaning for chamber before heat treatment ensures perfect processing for each part. The imported multi-purpose furnace and imported quenching oil are used for heat treatment to ensure product quality. Our products are shot blasted, so that hydraulic breakers are of excellent quality and durable. The company has complete sales and service system. Hanyun brand hydraulic hammer is characterized by stable performance, strong striking force, and high efficiency, and its comprehensive performance is much higher than similar products. With complete models of breaker spare parts manufacturing, Hanyun has become the main supporting supplier of many well-known brand hydraulic hammer manufacturers at home and abroad. The products are widely used in large-scale mines and municipal projects and are receiving good feedback from customers. Standing at the new historical starting point, always adhering to the development concept of technology-based, continuous innovation, sticking to the business philosophy of market guidance, scale leading to success, with the goal of improving quality and perfecting service, Hanyun people strives to forge ahead, create a win-win situation, and promote the development of large-scale hydraulic breaker industry in China.